Hello viewers, this is Sridhar from PTE Language Institute with yet another video on PTE Writing Task 2, which is the essay writing. Going forward from August 7, 2025, the essay writing could be assessed by AI as well as the human raters. So you have to make sure that you do not have the entirety of the essay with just the template, but also give your own idea and content. If you are given with maybe one sentence on the essay, you should be able to write in a creative way. The first sentence and the second sentence should be your paraphrase sentence which is given. For instance, in this essay, what I'm going to show you, I'll also be giving the thesis statement in the third sentence, and then two examples on the body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. The conclusion must be really strong, whether you strongly agree or strongly disagree, or the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or the disadvantages outweigh the advantages. So let's see what do we have here in this essay. Let's get started. If you're looking for a paid online course, please do write to the number given on the description below. I'll be more than happy to help you clear the PT on the first attempt with 79 plus. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Some people claim that there are more disadvantages of the car than its advantages. Do you agree or disagree? Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of having a car. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So I'm going to paraphrase this topic, but with one sentence, it is really not possible to paraphrase. So I'm going to write something in a creative way. So let's say something like, in this contemporary world, private vehicles have become an integral part of every human being. However, a few people believe that having a car has more drawbacks than its benefits. In my opinion, you can also say I opine that, but I normally keep it in my opinion. In my opinion, having a car is a boon to the individuals because it saves a lot of time in commuting from one place to another. This essay will discuss the pros and cons in the upcoming paragraphs with a plausible conclusion. So viewers, if you write in this manner without using the template, you'll definitely get a good score. Okay, let's proofread it once because that is important at every juncture. Let me justify it once. Okay. In this contemporary world, private vehicles have become an integral part of every human being. However, a few people believe that having a car has more drawbacks than its benefits. In my opinion, having a car is a boon to the individuals because it saves a lot of time in commuting from one place to another. This essay will discuss the pros and cons in the upcoming paragraphs with a plausible conclusion. Please do comment below as to how the introduction is. Then I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. Anyway, to begin with, cars save a lot of time and people can reach their destination on time. For instance, the time saved can be utilized for other purposes, and this will also give us enough room for other activities. You can give the example upfront, or you can give the example after giving a few sentences on the body paragraph 1. Furthermore, private vehicles provide more privacy, space and seating capacity as well. We'll have to think more about the advantages of having a private vehicle. So I'm going to try and write something related to the advantages now. Okay, what else can I write additionally? The cars, or having a car at home is like having a prized commodity, prized possession, we can say, not commodity, prized possession, and people or we can say, and children especially love to get dropped at school in their own cars. Okay, so we'll have to see how much we have written. We should write at least 275 words, if not 250 words, because most people do the mistake of writing just 200 words and they stop at that. That's the mistake people do. We are going to write at least not less than 250 words or maybe 275 words, which is what we are going to try and attempt to do it now. On the other hand, having a car has many disadvantages for the owner of the vehicle because of the high maintenance cost involved in owning a car. On the other hand, having a car has many disadvantages for the owner of the vehicle because of the high maintenance cost involved in owning a car. For instance, spare parts, repairs, or even water wash are priced exorbitantly high these days. Okay, moreover, the owner of the vehicle Okay. Moreover, the owner of the vehicle has to park his car away from the place of visit, as the parking lot, as it has become difficult to find parking lots as well. Okay, so finally, the paperwork and police scrutiny, for maintaining proper documentation has become a headache for many car owners. Let's see how many words I've written. So if I've written more than 200 words, let's try and conclude it here to write at least 250 and above words. I've written 236 words. That's a good one. Believe me, viewers. So I can conclude it here. In conclusion, I strongly agree that having a car has more disadvantages than its advantage these days than in the past. Okay. Nevertheless, people must choose wisely to have a car or go around in two-wheeler. Nevertheless, people must choose wisely to have a car or go around in two-wheeler or in public transport system, which is very efficient these days. Efficient nowadays. Believe me, viewers, if you write in this manner, the AI will have to definitely give you a good score, and the human raters will also have to give you a good score because you have not followed any template. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. This is Sridhar signing off from PTE Language Institute. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.